thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, east central Lexington County in central South Carolina, central Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Forest Acres, moving south at 10 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, West Columbia, Casey, Forest Acres, McIntyre Air Base, Dentsville, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Arcadia Lakes, Congaree National Park, Hopkins, Coral Hill, South Carolina State Farmers Market, Woodfield, Columbia Metro Airport, South Carolina State Fairgrounds, West Columbia Riverwalk, Sandy Run, Fort Jackson, and Five Points. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 near mile marker 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 71 and 77. Interstate 26 between mile markers 112 and 124. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 18.